Welcome back to MuskMatters. Instead of residing in a lavish mansion, he lives in a tiny house that costs significantly less than one of his Tesla cars. Intrigued? Stay tuned as we delve into the inspiring story of Elon Musk and his official announcement about Tesla's groundbreaking new tiny house for sustainable living. Elon Musk, a name synonymous with innovation and futuristic vision, continues to surprise the world not just with his ambitious projects, but with his personal lifestyle choices as well. Known for being Time magazine's 2021 Person of the Year and Forbes' richest billionaire with a staggering net worth of $236.8 billion, Musk holds several high-profile titles. He is the CEO and founder of Tesla, SpaceX, The Boring Company, Neuralink, and more. Despite these impressive credentials and immense wealth, Musk's living arrangements are far from what one might expect. Guess what? Currently, Elon Musk's primary residence isn't a sprawling mansion, but a modest $50,000 tiny house located near SpaceX's development and testing facility in Boca Chica, Texas. This revelation came to light in June when Musk tweeted that he had sold most of his assets. His decision to live in such a modest home is part of a broader strategy to focus on sustainable energy for Earth with Tesla, and to work on making life multiplanetary with SpaceX. But why did Elon sell his expensive homes and move into a tiny prefab house worth $50,000? According to Musk, this move aligns with his vision of sustainability and reducing his carbon footprint. In a Twitter announcement, he mentioned selling his last house in the San Francisco Bay Area, which he only rents out for events now. This decision was influenced by a ProPublica report revealing that American billionaires, including Musk, Jeff Bezos, and Warren Buffett, rarely pay their fair share of taxes, if they pay anything at all. The report highlighted how the combined wealth of America's richest continues to grow, while their tax contributions remain minimal. On June 9, Musk confirmed via a tweet, "Yeah, I sold my houses except for one in Bay Area that's rented out for events. Working on sustainable energy for Earth with Tesla and protecting the future of consciousness by making life multiplanetary with SpaceX. Also AI risk mitigation with Neuralink and fixing traffic with Boring." This announcement sparked curiosity and speculation about Musk's living conditions. Could this tiny house be Tesla's new insane project for sustainable living? Given Musk's track record of incredible projects over the past few years, it's certainly within the realm of possibility. After all, he's building his own space colony in Boca Chica, now known as Starbase. This small community on the southernmost tip of Texas was a tranquil place until Elon Musk and SpaceX set up operations there. In March, Musk announced his intention to rename Boca Chica to Starbase, reflecting his vision of a futuristic hub. We've previously covered this topic in detail, so be sure to check out our video on Starbase and subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates. So, who designed and built Elon Musk's tiny house? The answer is Boxable, a construction startup specializing in easy-to-build housing modules. Boxable's homes start at $50,000, but this price doesn't include landscaping, permits, and utility hookup costs. These homes aren't extravagant, but they are incredibly practical and efficient, aligning perfectly with Musk's minimalist lifestyle. Boxable's design is ingenious. Musk's house, known as the Casita, is a 20-foot by 20-foot box, essentially a 400-square-foot studio. Despite its modest size, it's packed with features. The house is built with steel, concrete, and EPS foam, ensuring durability and longevity. The walls, floors, and roofs are made of laminated panels, making them legal for traveling on highway. The Casita is delivered with plumbing, electricity, and air conditioning pre-installed and ready to connect. Boxable posted a video in November showcasing the Casita, announcing that they had built the home for a high-profile, top-secret customer in Boca Chica. Although they didn't name anyone, it was soon revealed that the mystery client was Elon Musk. The Casita's interior is meticulously designed to ensure maximum efficiency and comfort, making the most of its compact 375 square feet of living space. Despite its modest size, it includes all the essentials needed for a modern lifestyle. The studio setup ingeniously incorporates a full-size kitchen, which is a standout feature. This kitchen is equipped with a refrigerator, a double sink, a dishwasher, and ample countertops that extend to create a functional dining area. The thoughtful layout ensures that every inch of space is utilized effectively, providing a seamless and convenient living experience. The design doesn't stop at functionality. The Casita also boasts a 10-foot ceiling, which adds a sense of spaciousness and openness to the interior. Large windows and doors are strategically placed to allow plenty of natural light to flood the space, enhancing the airy and inviting ambience. These design elements combine to create a living environment that feels much larger and more comfortable than its square footage might suggest. Beyond its well-thought-out interior, one of the Casita's most impressive features is its mobility. Believe it or not, this tiny house can be towed by a Tesla Model X, which is priced at $79,990. This remarkable feature underscores the practicality and versatility of boxable homes. The ability to transport the Casita easily makes it an excellent choice for those who prioritize sustainable and flexible living options. Imagine the freedom of being able to relocate your home without the hassle of traditional moving processes. Whether you're seeking a temporary residence near a new job site, a mobile office, or a cozy retreat that can be moved to your favorite vacation spot, the Casita offers unparalleled convenience. This mobility feature not only adds to the home's versatility but also aligns with a more sustainable lifestyle by reducing the need for multiple properties. In addition to its practical benefits, the Casita's mobility opens up new possibilities for how we think about living spaces. It challenges the conventional notion of a fixed, permanent home and introduces a more dynamic and adaptable approach to housing. This innovation is particularly appealing in today's world, where flexibility and sustainability are increasingly valued. Boxable's design philosophy is evident in every aspect of the Casita. From its efficient use of space to its high level of mobility, the Casita is a testament to what can be achieved when innovative thinking meets practical application. It offers a glimpse into the future of housing, where sustainability, flexibility, and comfort coexist harmoniously. In summary, the Casita's interior design is a masterclass in efficiency and comfort, utilizing every square foot to its fullest potential. Its spacious feel, despite the compact size, is achieved through smart design choices like high ceilings and large windows. The mobility of the Casita, enabled by its compatibility with the Tesla Model X, adds a layer of practicality and versatility that sets it apart from traditional homes. This combination of features makes the Casita a compelling option for anyone looking to embrace a more sustainable and flexible lifestyle. The Casita isn't just about compact living, it's also about sustainable living. Boxable homes are constructed using insulation technology and LED lighting, both of which improve energy efficiency and reduce environmental impact. The tiny house has a low carbon footprint, aligning with Musk's commitment to sustainability. These homes are also incredibly durable. They have a snow load capacity suitable for 90% of North America and can be retrofitted to accommodate the remaining 10% of locations. This durability ensures that boxable homes can withstand various weather conditions, making them a reliable housing option. Elon Musk's choice to live in a tiny house is a testament to his commitment to sustainability and reducing his carbon footprint. Unlike many other billionaires who own luxury yachts and multi-million-dollar homes, Musk has opted for a minimalist lifestyle. This decision isn't new. Musk has been advocating for sustainable living for many years. One notable example is Musk's suspension of Bitcoin payments for Tesla cars due to environmental concerns. He cited the significant energy consumption associated with Bitcoin mining as a key reason for this decision. Sustainability is a core value at Tesla, and Musk's personal lifestyle reflects this ethos. Musk's choice to live in a tiny house could inspire a broader movement towards sustainable living. Boxable claims that the Casita is extremely energy efficient, thanks to its insulation and LED lighting. Tiny homes like the Casita generally use less energy and take up less space than conventional dwellings, further reducing their environmental impact. By choosing to live in a tiny house, Musk sets an example for others to follow. His decision highlights the importance of sustainability and challenges the notion that wealth must be flaunted through extravagant living. Instead, Musk demonstrates that a comfortable and fulfilling life can be achieved with minimal environmental impact. Elon Musk continues to push the boundaries of innovation, not just through his companies but through his personal lifestyle choices. His decision to live in a $50,000 tiny house underscores his commitment to sustainability and reducing his carbon footprint. The Casita, designed by Boxable, represents a practical and efficient approach to housing, aligning perfectly with Musk's vision for the future. As we wrap up this exploration of Tesla's new tiny house for sustainable living, we hope you're inspired by Musk's innovative approach. Whether it's through Tesla's electric vehicles, SpaceX's space exploration, or his personal commitment to sustainable living, Musk continues to lead by example. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on everything about Elon Musk and his ventures, make sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and click the notification bell. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and remember, sustainable living starts with each one of us. Let's take a page from Elon Musk's book and strive to reduce our carbon footprint for a better, greener future.